Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. My daughter Claudine showed me how to make French fries this way, which I do occasionally at home. The reason is that very often at home, if you have to have a fryer with like tons of oil in it, then you don't use it, then it gets rancid. And then she told me much less calorie this way. So I do the French fries sometimes this way. In that case here, I left the skin on. You can remove the skin if you want. Well, if it's a bit damaged here, remove at the end. Maybe a little bit of this. Your standard French fries. So here I have 1.5 pounds of potato. Okay, so that would serve a few people. 1, 2. Okay. So we wash the potato and you want to drain them out. Dry them out. They should be dry. I can use a towel or paper towel. Usually I use paper towel just to use that, but to dry it out. And you put your oven at 425 degrees, so pretty hot oven. You see your potato, when you do any type of potato, you keep it in water, otherwise it discolor, of course. So here, I have enough potato for probably at least 4 people, depending what else you eat. Okay, so it's about dry here. I'm gonna put 2-3 tablespoons maybe of oil. In that case, I'm using a peanut oil. 2, well, maybe 3. At that point, I'll put also a little bit of paprika, like maybe a teaspoon of paprika. This is Spanish paprika, give me some color, and maybe some herb de Provence, like a teaspoon or so also. No salt now, I'll put the salt later on. So, mix it so that you have your oil all over. And on a non-stick pan like this, put that into the oven and see what happens. If it doesn't work, that's Claudine's fault. Okay, 425 degrees, close to maybe 45 minutes. This is it. Right out of the oven, a little bit of salt on top. Remember, I didn't put any salt before. And this is it. French fry in the oven. Happy cooking.